In this section, you will be entering the student income information. If the student or parent filed income tax returns for 2019, you'll be required to gather the following documents: the IRS 1040, the Form 1065, and IRS Schedule 1. The top left-hand corner indicates the name of the form. When you are entering the income information, make sure you check if you're on the student or parent section. Each parent or student will have to enter their own income. The information should not be the same on both sections. In question number 32, you will be asked if you completed your 2019 IRS tax returns. If you did not file tax returns in 2019, you can select Not going to file. If you earned any wages, salaries, or tips in 2019, you must enter the amount earned in question number 39, even if you did not file tax returns. For students and parents that completed tax returns in 2019, you can find the filing status at the top of the page, right under 1040. To find the adjusted gross income, you must go to the IRS 1040, line 8B. Even though you already reported the adjusted gross income, you will now need to report the amount that each person earned from work. Income earned from work can be found by adding box 1 of the W-2 form. You must also add Schedule 1, line 3 and 6, as well as box 14, code A of the IRS Schedule K1, Form 1065. You should receive one W-2 form from each employer that you or your parents worked in 2019. If you or your parent did not earn income from work in 2019, you can enter 0. You will only have an amount in line 3 or line 6 of Schedule 1 if you or your parent were self-employed or had farm income or loss. Students and parents must report their assets. To determine the value of an asset, determine the current market value and subtract the debt owed for the specific asset. There are a variety of assets for which you must report value. However, you will never report the value of the home that you currently live in, or the value of retirement plans such as 401k, pension funds, annuities, or IRA accounts of any import. If you or your parents own a business, you do not have to report the value if your family owns and controls more than 50% of the business, and if the business has 100 or fewer full-time employees or full-time equivalent employees. There are additional income questions that students and parents are required to answer. It is recommended that if you have a question, you click on the box and take a look on the right-hand side for help and hints for an explanation. If it does not apply to you, do not leave the question blank. You can enter 0. In the section with other untaxed income, you should only enter income such as workers' compensation, disability benefits, untaxed income from foreign benefits. Also include health savings account from IRS 1040, Schedule 1, line 12. Be sure you review the income that is not required to be reported on that question. In this section, you will click on each benefit that anyone in your household received in 2019 and 2020. You must also answer if you or your parent are a dislocated worker.